own powers. But Stephen Mnuchin was pretty famous for traveling in taxpayer-sponsored jets with his wife, flaunting their wealth. And he was the U.S. Treasury Secretary, or maybe still is. I will go with C, Stephen Mnuchin, and make that my final answer.
Yeah, wild story, but that's true. He was doing it well. Yeah, we had Secretary of Commerce and...
There.
This is a test of the National Emergency Alert System. This system was developed by broadcast and cable operators in voluntary cooperation with the Federal Emergency Management Agency, the Federal Communications Commission, and local authorities to keep you informed in the event of an emergency. If this had been an actual emergency, an official message would have followed the tone alert you heard at the start of this message. No action is required.
This piece of junk didn't go off.